Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook video. As usual, we'll start off with the DXY, but firstly, we'll jump over here to the economic calendar, have a bit of a look and see what we've got coming up. So today we're pretty good today. Don't have any red news coming in, but tomorrow we have the CPI news coming out of the US, as well as unemployment claims, and then Friday we have PPI month on month coming out as well. So Thursday and Friday could be quite volatile, which means today we may or may not see much volatility today in obviously warm up for the news coming out tomorrow. But we were sort of expecting to see a possible turn down from here yesterday, which we didn't get. Obviously, it just continued to work back up a little bit. I tend to think at this point in time, we didn't see a rejection out of this area, this 4-hour area here that we were sort of expecting to see. Didn't see any, had quite a convincing break there on the 4-hour, which leads me to believe that this high here might still be quite weak. We may actually see a push up further from here, taking out this high up into this area, to be possibly seeing it work it out and head out of there, or working out what it's going to do with the Thursday and Friday. So basically for me, we're bullish at the moment, working up. Got to stay obviously bullish with the narrative here at the moment. So yeah, basically looking for longs, possible longs today here on Dixie. So what did we have yesterday? We pretty well just had some straight up price action, just came out, started the London, and it pretty well just pushed up right through the London and had this bit of just this consolidation type retrace here at the end at the New York session, and we just sort of created a Asian session here, which is quite tight and wound up. So basically what we're looking for here at the moment is to see a possible pull out from here, find support and continue to head higher, or we may just work our way out of here today and still to start to head high. Remember, guys, not expecting much volatility today with the news tomorrow and Friday. So if you are looking at taking any trades, just be mindful and don't go trying to get 30, 40 pip trades, as the volatility may not be there. So obviously with a long bias here on Dixie, we jump over to the Euro with that in mind. We can see here, we'll jump out to the 4-hour again. The 4-hour has yet to break. We were expecting a possible rejection here out of this 4-hour area here. Obviously with this being the last area before it obviously took off long, we were expecting a rejection out of there, but we did actually wick below that area and take that out. So, which is telling me that this is obviously weak, which means this may also be weak as well, looking to push down towards further into these areas down here, getting into some lower areas before looking to go possibly long. So again, today, just looking for an area that we may be able to look at shorting out of to get down to those areas. So we'll jump down onto the 15-minute chart and we'll do a bit of an assessment down there and see what we can find. So again, same thing. We did actually take Asian high liquidity yesterday and then proceeded just to march down. And then we've had this at the start of the New York session here. We just sort of had this, again, lethargic retrace, and we've just had a pretty consolidated Asian range today. So looking for a possible pull out of that area to head lower, or we may see a pull down, retrace, and then heading lower from there. So they're probably the two areas I'll be looking for today. Again, just be mindful, let the price action tell you what it's going to do. Don't try and preempt too far in front, especially when we're starting to come into these areas, especially when we've got the news that we've got coming up. It can be a little bit unpredictable and wishy-washy. GU. So we'll jump out on the 4-hour on GU. So again, we saw that push up. We're expecting this area to hold yesterday, this area here to possibly hold yesterday. obviously didn't. We got that wick down and pull back down. So the 4 hour has flipped bearish here, where obviously it had flipped. It had already flipped on euro the other day, but this was still bullish. So now what we're looking at is obviously just continue that that bearish continuation here. So looking to find some shorts coming down, possible lower price action. So 15-minute here. So we can see we've had this pull up, we've come back down, we've had a big impulse up, we failed to take this high. We set this Asian high here, we've pulled down, taking liquidity through here. We've retraced back up to the midline and then obviously dropped from there, and we are yet to retest that area there. So that there could be a possible area to look to short from, sort of this London, the old London high there from yesterday. Failing that, obviously we could see a slightly higher pull up into this area up here before looking at shorting, but definitely would like to see either one of these areas get tapped before heading short, or basically if we do see the Asian close, we see this area get taken, then we want to look for that midline retest before heading short. Anyway, guys, appreciate you jumping on again today, and we'll catch up again for tomorrow's daily outlook video and see what we can anticipate in the lead up to the news. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.